Elena and the Festival of Lanterns. In the vibrant town of Luminara, everyone was buzzing with excitement for the annual Lantern Festival. Colorful lanterns of all shapes and sizes were being hung. Elena, known for her agility and wit, was looking forward to the festival. She loved the bright lights and the joyful laughter that filled the air. That night, as the festival began, a mischievous spirit known as Mischief appeared, turning the lanterns upside down, causing confusion. Elena noticed the chaos and decided to use her martial arts skills to restore order and catch the spirit. She started by performing acrobatic flips, leaping high into the air to fix the lanterns. Mischief, amused, started a playful chase, darting between the lanterns, with Elena in pursuit. As they moved, Elena cleverly began to predict Mischief's moves, slowly outsmarting him. She set a gentle trap using a big, beautiful lantern, knowing spirits loved lights. Mischief, attracted by the lantern, was gently captured. Elena spoke kindly to him, explaining the importance of peace at the festival. Understanding his mistake, Mischief agreed to help Elena. Together, they fixed the remaining lanterns. With all the lanterns restored, the festival regained its peaceful, joyful atmosphere. Elena showed Mischief how much joy he could bring by being helpful, turning him into a friendly spirit. The town folks started to notice the change and thanked Elena for her bravery and wit. As a token of gratitude, the mayor of Luminara invited Elena to lead the lantern parade. Holding the special lantern, Elena led the parade, with Mischief playfully dancing around her. The streets of Luminara were filled with laughter, music, and the soft glow of lanterns. Elena realized that understanding and kindness could turn chaos into harmony. As the night came to a close, Elena released her special lantern into the sky, making a wish. Mischief, now a friend, promised to return next year, but this time to help with the festival. As Elena walked home, the town of Luminara was peaceful once more. She felt happy, knowing she had made a new friend and saved the festival. Good night, baby.